Hello viewers and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Soga Yalong Spinning Fishing Reels. This spinning reel has impressed me with its robust, professional performance at an entry-level price point. Its lightweight design and durability make it ideal for both hobby fishermen and tournament fishermen alike. The reel has great castability with 11-ball bearings and a smooth drag system. It is easily an equal or superior choice to some of the more popular and pricey spinning reels on the market. It boasts a sleek and modern design that is pleasing to the eye and ergonomically optimal for long days on the water. Aluminum spool with high tensile gear and more fishing line capacity. Ultra-thin streamlined design body. Superior drag system offers incredible stopping power. CNC machine-cut ABS collapsible handle, left or right interchangeable. Perfect mesh drive gear and precision machine pinion gear for fish fighting power. Our second best inshore spinning reels is Piscifun Flame Spinning Reels. This reel is incredibly smooth, the drag is not rough at all, and the reel can cast a country mile. When you put line on the spool it lines up perfectly, and being it is a braid-ready spool is also excellent. I like the fact that I don't have to have two different lines in the boat for one being the backer. The feature you can only find for the higher-end reels, Piscifun always tries the best to give you incredible products. Best quality can be heard. The high-quality parts were precisely assembled together makes the flame spinning reels has better clicker sound than our competitors. This also contributes to buttery smooth drag performance when you go after the fish. The smooth performance and balanced rotor design help you spool the line onto your spinning fishing reel more evenly than our competitors to increase the cast distance. Give ultimate smooth drag operation for consistent line out to reduce line break rate. Precise mesh teeth on the drive gear give you powerful and consistent operation even fight with the big fish. Third in our list is Cast King Zephyr Spinning Reel. I've picked up a baitcast reel and a landing net from Cast King in the past and so far I've been pretty happy with what I've received. I was apprehensive to try them at first because they're not one of the more well-known brands and they're pretty affordable in comparison. Tangle-free and smooth retrieves are expected because of integral bearing placement in the roller bearing on the bail. The super strong zinc alloy main gear provides durability and performance while delivering smooth operation. Solid stainless steel main shaft and brass pinion gear ensure smooth operation and a long reel life. Triple disc carbon drag generates up to 22 pounds of smooth drag power. The aluminum handle is reversible and foldable for storage. It is all part of the Cast King affordable innovation philosophy. Number 4 in our best inshore spinning reels list is Placino Fishing Reel. Great reel for the money, you can't beat the value at this price point. Very smooth and pretty light, good metal construction where it counts. Wish the handle was metal also, but it just might last if you don't drop it directly on the handle, on a rock or pavement. The body, rotor, and spider plate are made from lightweight aluminum. Hollow design frame adds stylish and reduce the weight of the spinning reel without sacrificing strength and durability. Besides, the fishing reel's gravity center is close to the hand, which will help you avoid fatigue while fishing all day long. Placino SE Reel is a fast, powerful, durable fishing reel suited for normal freshwater and light saltwater use. Perfect for inshore fishing, and for bass, stripers, walleyes, catfish, and northern pike. Let's watch more. Our last pick is Piscifun Flame Spinning Reels. This is another great reel from Piscifun. I have 10 to 11 reels from them now, and this one is just as good as the others. I bought this reel based on other reviews and also based on my own experience with my other Piscifun reels. The feature you can only find for the higher end reels, Piscifun always tries the best to give you incredible products. The matte black body paired with red aluminum spool perfectly indicate its name Flame. You will be flattered by having this sharp and modern spinning fishing reels with unique hollow body, X-shaped spool and personalized handle. Far more advanced feeling than other spinning reels at its price. Piscifun Flame Fishing Reels offers incredible drag power up to 19.8 pounds. Plenty great features have been given to this spin reel: the reinforced metal main shaft, high quality drive gear, precisely machined brass pinion gear and triple drag washers, make you easily fight with the giants. For details, let's watch more.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!